Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like it's several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, both Friday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, like I said. I think it does just a good job of telling the overall story of things and makes mapping out where some of these key levels a bit easier to see. First key level going into Wednesday, as far as supports are concerned, right here at the 63-cent mark. I would call 63 cents pretty important because I'm not saying this so it's going to occur, but in the event the price, if it were to come down here to 63 and then break down through it and continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, the price would be right back inside of this area of the chart right here where it's just broken out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. So in my mind, 63, very important for that reason, because on the flip side of things, let's say that it does go down there. However, in this situation, the price goes sideways and starts to work its way back upwards. Well, now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote unquote progress again as 63 cents. And in the event 63 does not hold up, then the next overarching level of support and where the price would probably be headed would be down to that pink line there on my chart, which denotes the 200 period moving average. So as of right now, that's kind of irrelevant given that the price is doing a good job of even staying well up above 63. But 63 and then the 200 period moving average, definitely the levels of support to watch as the week continues to play out. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about the purple line here, the 50 period moving average. And you can see that's right where the price was rejected from it today. So going into Wednesday, right up around 78 cents, which is the current value of the 50 period, that is where the resistance level could potentially be and to keep an eye on. Overall, though, what matters most is what the price has already been starting to do, and that is this right here. Just chipping away and building higher bases. As long as higher bases can be built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as stair steps are being built, then given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon it or not as the week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.